The upcoming by-election in Harare East is not just a political event, it's a pivotal moment in Zimbabwe's history. It's a chance to correct past missteps and forge a new path forward. Rewind to August 2023, when the Harare East constituency elected Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, candidate Alan Markham in the harmonized elections. However, the political landscape shifted drastically when Markham resigned from Parliament. This followed the departure of the party's former leader, Nelson Chamisa, who left the CCC alleging that the party had been hijacked by ZANU-PF. Fast forward to today, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga stands before ZANU-PF supporters at a rally at Chikurubi Damview, urging Harare East voters to vote for the ZANU-PF candidate, Chiwenga Vodemba, in the imminent by-election. He calls this an opportunity to correct the mistake of the August 2023 elections and restore the political status quo. Chiwenga paints a vivid picture of the importance of the by-election date, April 27th, linking it to significant historical events. He reminds the audience of April 28, 1897, marking the beginning of the Second Chiwenga, a crucial point in Zimbabwe's struggle for independence. Moreover, he evokes the memories of spirit mediums Mbuya Nehanda and Sekuru Kaguvi, who inspired the first Chiwenga and were beheaded on April 28. The vice president emphasizes that the by-election results will be celebrated on this historically significant date, aligning the potential victory of Vodemba with the beginning of the Second Liberation War. These dates, he asserts, are deeply connected to the by-election and should serve as a reminder of Zimbabwe's rich history. Vodemba will face off against Ropafadzwa Chesa, an independent candidate for the vacant Harare East National Assembly seat. The by-election, scheduled for April 27th, promises to be a turning point in Zimbabwe's political landscape, potentially heralding a new era of change and progress. To recap, this video has traced the journey from the August 2023 elections to the upcoming by-election in Harare East. It's highlighted the resignation of Alan Markham, the call to action by Vice President Chiwenga, and the anticipation surrounding the contest between Chiwenga Vodemba and Ropafadzwa Chesa. It's underscored the historical significance of the by-election date and its potential to reshape Zimbabwe's political future. Remember, the upcoming by-election isn't just about electing a representative for Harare East. It's about making a choice for the future of Zimbabwe. It's about embracing progress while honoring the past. It's about making history, and you are a part of it. Because every vote counts, every decision matters, and every moment has the potential to change the course of history.